To trade Uniswap coins with SafePal wallet, make sure you have a SafePal wallet on your phone installed and have enough ETH for the gas fees. You need it for the Uniswap transaction. To connect, select a token, choose any token you want to trade, and click Get Started. Then click Connect Wallet, choose Wallet Connect, and it will generate a QR code. Scan it using your SafePal wallet on your phone, and you've just successfully connect Uniswap and SafePal wallet. Now, in order to trade, to give you all an idea, select a token you want to trade. In this case, I choose across and enter a amount. As you can see, it's insufficient, but to give you an idea, if you have a balance in Uniswap and SafePal app, instead of insufficient button, it will show as a swap button, and then you can click it. After you swap it, a notification will show to your SafePal app for confirmation of the transaction. And that's it. That's how you trade Uniswap coins with SafePal wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.